think that's a Virgin. Looks like it. Oh, it's nice when the sun hits it. So we're at a good place here and we are plane spotting. This is Thompson, looks like 757 maybe. What a great place to spot some planes on arrival to Manchester Airport. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we're at Stockport Plaza. I've been here twice and this is Gary's first time and he's just going to love it. Just look at that building. What a beautiful building it is. And then let's go in. It's just a plain spot in paradise here. Right above the plaza, as you can see. Just been given a cup of tea. Lovely white cup.
Tea strainer, look. Because the tea is loose, apparently.
It is loose.
It is loose, so... No, this is which pour milk first and then tea after, or what would you do?
I do tea first. I always do tea first.
Yes.
Gosh. Hello everybody, welcome to the Plaza Café. So we have ordered 2 cups of tea and jacket potato with beans and cheese. And what a lovely place this is. You can see, very retro, very stylish. The cafe is beautiful. There's that guy, handsome guy. So we have tea with tea, which is nice. Yum yum. I love a cup of tea. We'll just wait our jacket potato. It's a lovely place here. I love coming here. It's so retro, so stylish. I just love it. And across the way is Stockport Exchange now. When I last came here 10 years ago, it wasn't like this. There was nothing here, so it's all new. And it's just perfect. You want to come into Stockport on the bus and just get off the bus and go straight across to the plaza. Amazing. Anyway, we're going to wait our dinner now. I love these plates. Obviously got the P there, branded on point here. Turn it around. Cool. There we go. Plaza. It looks yummy. It looks filling, but it looks good. Our dinner, wow, it was amazing. Lovely and tasty and filling. Just love that P on the plate. D for Plaza. Just going to finish our brew now. And hopefully we can have a look round. It's not looking possible because there's quite a bit of people here, so we'll ask and see if we can have a look round and film it for you. And me and Gary have finished our jacket potato and it was delicious. We're enjoying the last brew with real tea. Not had one of these for ages. Real tea, cups of tea. A bit warm here, but it's nice nevertheless. I'm hoping that we can go and have a walk right now. What do you think? If we can't look in the shop, if we can't look in the plaza, we're going to look at Stockport shelters. That is all you can get in there. Fingers crossed, we can get have a look round with our phone. Fingers crossed, we can have a look and have a film it. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Well, that'd be at the top there. So it's an old building, isn't it? It's absolutely beautiful in here. That's the door, if you can hear it. It's beautiful. That organ comes up during intervals. Beautiful. We're at the top here. My God. I guess as it goes up in the slant, you'll be able to see everything, won't you? But my God, it's a lot of a walk. Beautiful though. I think it's Aladdin tonight. At the top of the building. It looks lovely. Well, that was our little tour of the plaza. We really enjoyed the Plaza Café, didn't we? Really good value for money and food. Oh, one cooked. Is it one cooked?
It was cool.
We're off to the Stockport red shelters now, so come with us. And that is a new place, Stockport Exchange. We could cross over, but you don't know what's coming around the corner. Like the Burs Airport Freight Terminal. I used to have wheel trims. I used to have ones with little devils on them. Wheel trim heart here. Wheel trims. Wheel trim society.
It's Instagram, isn't it?
Yeah.
They are on Instagram, we want to check them out.
Wow.
And Lights Media. You've got all of these trims on your car.
No. Gary thinks that used to be a cinema at one time. Just derelict now. It's a shame. My guys totally walked past the air raid shelters. Hey darling, here. And you got a blue plaque as well. We're at the air raid shelters now, and we're going to go inside. Hopefully it's not a fee. I don't think it is. I'm not sure. I'm not. He's going to tell me. Yeah. Oh, now we've got lights on. That's good. Wow. I love how everything's all dark and wet. Because of course this is what it would be like.
Torch is already turned off.
That's Gary talking to his guy.
I was just talking to my phone then. Yeah. I'm going to turn it off. Whoa, they really are underground.
I know, it's exciting.
There's a map of Stockport. Can you see? Oh, building.
I love how cool it is.
It is. Well, it's a good place to hide.
I know. Map of Stockport there.
We don't have to do this. There's all these red lines back into the. Where we are. Oh, this
1938 they started, but they were discovered at the back of the properties. Oh no, that's not important. So it's all signposted for you to go through. It's so big. Wow, you get to imagine what it's like. It's so big. If it catches you in the street, do not panic, keep a cool head, keep your gas mask with you at all times. Enter the shelters at an orderly fashion. Wow. That's all the stone, like redstone. And on the floor it feels like sand. This floor will send no warning, so always carry your gas mask. You can feel the floor is uneven, look a bit. How to deal with incendiary bombs. Oh, scary. So what's in here? Oh, the warden's room. Blackout today, 6:30 PM. There's his lamps. His bike. All his stuff that is needed. Red wardens wanted. And they are wanted now. That's a back look of it. The lights are a bit dazzling, so excuse the lights. I don't think we'll see anything to
I won't really see much. It's very pitch black in there, so.
Done a little light on, but like I say, it's got to be authentic. This is where they all would have sat, darling, down here. Oh no, we are sitting down, as you can see on the benches that people sat down, and there was no rain shelter. And to sit here for hours must have been uncomfortable, to say the least.
I just think no mobile phones to play with.
They got sound things here, so you can hear what it's sounding like.
We've got some more beds here and shovels for anything that, you know.
Tool store.
We've also got what was like the sick bay, which
Shovels. More lights. This is a sick bay. The floor's a little bit uneven if you're walking through it. Obviously therefore having a pee. They're all connected. Nursing mother's room. God, it's so big. Oh, it's first aid room. There's a picture of a doctor and nurses here. Oh, I love that music. Oh my God, look at all these. That is an old radio. We've got a rotor there. Tap down the little tunnel. Have I just come from here? I can't remember. Oh yeah, I've been through here, yeah. I think my guy's this way. Oh, that's how we in the kitchen. Wow, it's not much of a kitchen area, is it? But then again, you are underground. Let's see what we got here. Scales. I better get to have everything all rationed out, yeah? Weighed. Good old teas here. Yeah. Maybe one for tea, one for coffee, I don't know. The old sink, look at that. I like that. Women wanted. Ambulance drivers. The old scales. Telling everybody to get undercover at once. Oh, I think these are toilets. Ooh.
These are the toilets in here. Of course, these toilets are not for public use. They are actually a toilet on their own. So they were. Oh, shit. That's what we're doing, isn't it? That's what I call.
Just holes, darling, holes.
Just holes. And yeah, there was a tank there. So,
Little piece of cloth for your privacy.
oh yeah, and the toilet paper, it was just bits of old newspaper.
Of course.
Of course, I always remember when I was a kid, we did use newspaper.
I used newspaper too.
We did run out of toilet paper, so yeah, so
Right, it's small, isn't it?
yeah. There's no interest. Big long sink.
Washing your hands.
Consider others to keep this area clean.
For diseases.
The toilets are connected to main supply of water. Do not leave the taps running. Yeah, that's right.
I know.
Water is not for consumption in here because, you know, yeah.
So these are the toilets area. Now, just say it's a little bit uneven on this floor if you come in here. Just a little bit, nothing too much. Are we going down the bottom though? We've not been down there. Oh, let's have a key first, yeah.
Yeah, well, here's one of the ones that is on.
Well, at least this is lit.
As you see. Yeah, another one of these bunk areas.
There we go. Bunk beds.
Bunk beds. Imagine that represents the side of water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. That sounds like water dripping. Yeah. If you are caught on the street, don't stand and stare at the sky. Take cover at once. Well, this area's obviously closed off.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can't go down that way.
Where's it? What's this bit?
This is an Anderson shelter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so most
Heard
people
of these.
Yeah, most people I knew.
Make their own, don't they?
Yeah. Well, I was saying most people I knew actually turned these into garden sheds. Because I always remember.
Oh yeah, a lot of
I
them.
remember there was another couple who had one in their back garden.
Yeah.
And for a few years I thought they were funny shaped sheds, but then some not those are all Anderson shelters. Most people, I mean, I was told about that. They did convert them into sheds.
Well, see, we can't get to an area shelter, not sandbags there.
Yeah, this is what it would have been like in here. A bunk bed, not much room.
No.
Was there?
No.
Not much room in here. God. Of course, you don't need microphone there because the key stick is pretty good. No. Oh, yeah. This is the courtyard. Air shelter. And that's what they look like.
Ooh, what's that? Something up. Sandbag. Sandbag.
You can't really see much in it.
The sign's there so you don't get lost. Very echoey in here. And that's the way out. We're going to have a look in the shop.
So
That's some nice bits in. Look at that over it. Look at that mass.
It's like a sort of breathing apparatus, isn't it?
Yeah.
We don't have one, fortunately.
Cookery book.
Old postcards from the past. I do like that one with the old postcards.
5 in the Blitz.
Oh yeah, posters.
I like these postcards. Newspaper articles. Lots of books for you. You want one?
Wow.
Picture in the kitchen. Be good. How cute. I like those ties. Oh, I love that little book of Christmas. It's cute. Nice bag.
So we've been told that you'd probably hear a low rumbling sound. A bit like a jackhammer. So construction outside.
That plus your pie, so far good. I think good here.
Yeah.
Camp.
Yeah.
I think that's the sauce.
Yeah.
It's probably a well-stocked shop. We're now out of the race shelters and it was fabulous. Lots of history in there. I love how deep you are, how deep underground you are, you can't hear anything. Maybe a slight rumble if there's something going over the top, maybe not, don't know, could have been the effects. I really enjoyed it here. It's only £5 admission and it's just a little report from the bus exchange, which is just in front of the plaza. So we got 2 ratings in one here and we both enjoyed both ratings. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe and share around and tick the notification bell for uploads, which I'm going to try and do twice weekly if possible.
If possible.
If possible, it's hard.
Very hard.
It's not hard, it's time consuming because we're back at work next week
Yep.
and this week we have had a week off. But of course we wanted to chill as well. I'm blabbling!
She's blabbling. She's blabbling.
I'm blabbing.
She's blabbling.
So it's goodbye from me, Maxine.
And it's goodbye from me, Gary.
Bye bye.